welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Radiant Clicks and my name is Dr. Saddam. Today I am going to showcase you one important and historical car in the Indian political history. It's a 1968 Mercedes Benz 250. Now also it's a well appreciated car in the state of Karnataka, and the owner himself will tell you the exact story and exact fun factors behind that car. So stay tuned with us till the end of the video and you will get a surprise story behind the car.
Still shows all sort of demands.
So since how long you are using this? I mean, you are owning this?
Owning this for almost around 15 years.
15 years.
Good morning. This car is belongs to state government, given to former Chief Minister Devaraj Urs by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, as a state car. Because Devaraj Urs was the very backward class person who got elected in 1969 with a full thumping majority in the state government to form the state as a full majority as a Congress high. So that particular point of time, he got 71, he formed the government, and he has been a very down-to-earth person for the entire our state. After seeing his performance in the state government, the Prime Minister of India has given this particular car for his travelling all over the state. So this car has been travelled almost all the district of the state, and since I was with him from 1965, I was travelling along with him in the car. So when after he surrendered this car to the government, and this car was kept for the sale. So when this car has come for the sale, there are so many competitors who can buy this car. But since I was closely associated in the family, he adopted me in the 65 onwards till his last days. So with that attachment, I was very keen that I must buy this car from the government action. So therefore, there are so many people that they wanted to buy this car. I personally requested number of people, and I got managed. And one person was very particular. He said, no, I want to take this car. I already bid for this car. I said, whatever you bid, that bid amount itself I'll give it to you. I don't want to give this car. So somehow that way I compromised and collected this car. I bought this car, restored everything, and for every August 20th, his birthday, for that particular day, whoever is the Chief Minister of the state, I parked this car in front of his statue after the garland, and CM also will be very happy to travel with this car because he's one of the longest CM of the state. So frequently, every August 20th, this car, when it is presented, the CM himself come to garland his statue. After that, I request them to sit here and go for a round. So it has been like that. This car has been maintained. Even today, it is a very highly appreciated car in state. And again, August 20th, this car will be coming to Vidhan Soda. So present CM also. Last year he was there, and last year because of his busy in the cabinet meeting and all, this time he will sit. So like that, this car has been maintained. 1968 model. So I requested personally the Chief Secretary to the government to permit me to use this car as an antique car. Therefore, I am retaining as it is, including all the fittings and all. So I have not removed anything. So this will be going only for park the car in front of the statue every year. Then occasionally I don't use any of this red light car and all. It will be covered, and the monogram and all, it will be covered. Only for antique piece I am keeping this car.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to appreciate, if you want to support me, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.